Alright guys, this quick tutorial is to walk you through the easy step by step to automatically share your posts and pages on all your social media accounts. Okay, so let's get down to it. So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you get epic video like this to help you grow your online business. So let me quickly show you how to automatically publish your posts and pages to all your social medias. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your plugins area. You want to download this plugin here. This is a cool plugin that can help you. You want to download blog to social, so you want to go to plugin and add new. So you want to type blog to social. This is the plugin right here. So you want to make sure you download this plugin. This plugin here, we're going to set it up right now. So I already downloaded it. So let's go over to our plugins here and set it up so that we can automatically publish posts and pages. So let's go back to plugins here. So you want to go to settings. So here you want to go to social media networks. So as you can see here, you want to connect all this social of yours here. You can connect your Facebook, you can connect Twitter, you can connect Instagram, you can connect Google My Business, LinkedIn, Zing, Pinterest, Reddit, Toria, Medium, and so on and so forth. So to connect one, just click on one, then you go connect profile. Then you're going to put in your details here and your password here. Then when you finish, you click authorize app. That is done. So it will automatically remember your details. Yeah? So anytime you want to publish, it's going to remember that this is the profile that you want to publish to. So that is that. So you connect your Facebook, you connect your Twitter account, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Zine, Wings, and so on and so forth. So let's say, okay, now I've collected all my social media accounts. So I want to publish a post here. So go to all your posts here. So these are all my posts down here. And I go here to 100. So let's say I want to publish this. I want to publish this post to I want to automatically publish this post to all my social media. I'll just click on share on social media here. And I've never connected any. Just if you never connect to connect from here, you can click connect. Then you can connect your. So let's say I want to connect. I want to share. I want to share this post to my Twitter account. Yeah? So I'm just gonna click my email here. There. Then there you go. Then I'll click publish. Yeah. And that is it. That's how you do it. So now let's go back again to our the home page here. So you can also schedule posts here. If you want to schedule posts, you just go here. You want to schedule some posts. If you want it to publish tomorrow, you want it to publish the next day, you can schedule your post here. Just turn it on here. Turn it on pages and posts. So anytime you write you post any post on your website, this post your post and page will automatically posted to all your social media account, all your posts, pages, new pages. Okay, so that's how you automatically since you've already connected all your pages to all your social media to your account, then they'll automatically publish to your social media account. So that's how you do it. So guys, let me know your comment down below. Drop your comments. Let me know what you don't like about this video. Let me know what you like. The links to this social plugin is down below if you want to check it out. So subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.